Namaste children. So today we will discuss the next topic, that is biological magnification of chapter R, environment. Now what is biological magnification? Biological magnification means that the increase in the concentration of the chemicals, or you can say pesticides, at each trophic level. At each trophic level, it is known as the biological magnification. Now how these chemicals that will get accumulated in the trophic levels, and the trophic level which is present at the higher level means the trophic level which is present at the higher level. Suppose if in a food chain there are 4 trophic levels that are present, then the 4th trophic level that is present at the highest position. Okay, so always the chemicals that will get accumulate more in the trophic level which is the highest one. Okay, so let's discuss this in detail. If suppose the chemicals or the pesticides that are sprayed over the crops, okay, pesticides like the DDT, then what happen? These chemicals that are absorbed in the soil, and from the soil then again it will absorbed by the plants, and from the plants it will get accumulated in the herbivores. From the plants, these chemicals they will transfer to the herbivores, and from the herbivores to the carnivores, and from the carnivores to the omnivores. So in this manner the chemicals they will get accumulated in the omnivores because they are present at the highest trophic level, and this transfer of the chemicals or the accumulation of the chemicals in the trophic level, it is known as the biological magnification, or you can say biomagnification. Now one more example we can take of the aquatic food chain. Okay, now all of you know the chemicals that are sprayed over the crops. So from the crops it can come to the water body also through the rainwater. So when these chemicals they will mix with the water body, then the zooplanktons which are present in the water body, or you can say the phytoplanktons which are present in the water body, they will these chemicals they will get accumulate in their body, and from the zooplanktons it can go to the small fish, and from the small fish to the large fish and the fish eating birds. Means in this food chain, the fish eating birds that are present at the highest trophic level, and the chemicals which will get accumulate in the fish eating birds. Okay, and this process is known as the biological magnification or biomagnification. Now one more thing, when the chemicals that are accumulated in the fish eating birds, then what are the consequences or what are the effects of this? Then what are the effects of this? That when they lay eggs, okay, so in the eggs, because of the calcium metabolism it will get disturbed, as the pesticides, the chemicals that are present in the fish eating birds, because of the biomagnification process, then it affects the chemical metabolism, and as the chemical metabolism it will get affected, then it is responsible for the laying of the eggs which are thin shell, having the thin shell. And if suppose these eggs that are having the thin shell, then what will happen? They can be break before maturation, means premature breaking of eggs it may happens. Okay, it results in the premature breaking of the eggs. So these are some consequences of the biomagnification, and these chemicals that are very harmful. So if suppose they will get accumulated in the food chain and then accumulated in the higher trophic level, means the organisms which are present at the highest trophic level mostly they affect the health of that individual. And then in case of the aquatic food chain, it results in the thinning of the eggshell, and which results in the premature breaking of the eggs.